Okay. There's our special guest, Taro. Hello everyone, Alora with Guerrero of Revu.com.ph here, and today is one of those rare times that we are out of the house because we want to give you a real-world look at the iPhone 12 Pro. You know, we want to test this without any artificial lighting, so that's why we're here. And as you can see, this is a box of the iPhone 12 Pro. This is so slim as compared to the regular size box. You and I both know that it's slim because the phone doesn't come with a charger anymore. Of course, it doesn't have headphones as well. All we have here is supposed to be is a USB-C to lightning cable.
We made it.
Now, let's try to open the box now. It doesn't have the plastic anymore. We took it out already. And there it is, the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. As you can see, there are 3 cameras right here, all 12 megapixels, ultra wide, wide, and telephoto. There's a LiDAR scanner right there, and flash. Let me just show you real quick before we go to the sample photos and sample videos. There, the USB-C to lightning cable, and here is, well, it says here, designed by Apple in California. It's made in China. Here is the SIM eject tool. But I can always use my earrings to do just what it does. There, and iPhone materials. I don't need this. There, and sticker right here. So we're taking a video right now. This is a sample. Wait, let's check. It's 4K at 24 FPS, and supposed to be cinematic. There, let's see how stable it is, how the colors are when we try to move. Now this is 4K at 60 FPS right here. This is not 24 anymore. Just want to show you the difference. Check the colors, check everything. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's try the rear camera system this time. This is 4K at 24 FPS. Leaves, trees. I love that. Where's the light? Oopsie, can't find it anymore. That would have been great. Creative purposes there. So there it is. And this is 4K at 60 FPS. Let's try to walk again, okay? Just say bye-bye to that for now. And then, I don't know, can this do ultra wide? No, it can't. Well, it's 60 FPS, but let's try the other, in another condition or situation. There's, how about zoom? Zooming, you can. Yes, you can do that at 60 FPS. Pardon me, sweaty face. It's really very hot today. But yeah, that's about it for our first look at the iPhone 12 Pro. We'll be back with more in our full review. See you next time, okay?